So next I need to make the How Did I Do tab. So I'll move to that one. The title, so I'm going to edit the title, and I want that to be How Did You Do? So how did you do? So save that, and then underneath there I want to just put down well done. So well, and on the style I want that not to have a line underneath. I want to have want that to be bold. I want that to be in the center. I want that to be size 20, and I want the font to be trebuchet. Okay, so I save that. Next, I want the person's name to appear. So that's an input box. Now, the input box I want to put there is name. It's the same one that's on the first screen. So I give it the same name. So that will bring the person's name from the front screen. So at the moment what it says in there on the first screen is please type in your name. So what it says on here is please type in your name. I now want to put in some text. Again, so you have completed. Oops. So you have completed there. And again, on style, I want it to be bold, centered, 20, and trebuchet. And I don't want that line underneath. Okay, so which means we need to go back to that one. And on style, and take the line underneath away. So we've completed, and then I want the maths quiz. And again, on style, on no line underneath, I want it to say bold and center, and I want this bigger, so I'm going to go for 40 in trebuchet, and I think this time I'll go for that nice dark blue again. So that's save, and another text box, because we want to now tell the person the score. So you scored, you scored, and style, no line underneath, and bold and centered, and 20, and trebuchet. Save that. So you scored. Now again, I want an input box, and this is going to be generated by the JavaScript, and the name of this one is going to be score. So you scored, and then text again, out of, no line underneath. So I want it to be bold and centered, and 20, and trebuchet. And finally, I want to put another text box, and this one is out of the total, total. Okay, and save. So, well done, such a person. You've completed the maths quiz, you scored this out of this, and again I can tidy that up, so I've got a line. That's edit. Okay. Nope, can't get that to edit. Yes, I can. So I want to remove the style, the line from underneath there. And the last thing I want on here is I want to give the person the opportunity to try that again. So I've got a button, and the button is going to be called try again. Put 3 chevrons on and save. And again, I need to sort it out so that doesn't have the line underneath. And I might have to play around with some of the spacings inside so that all fits a bit more neatly onto the screen. But now I've made my third screen, which is the one which shows the person how well they did in the test.